Okay, I'm out here at my shop, and today I'm going to wire up this lamp. So I'm going to show you how I go about doing that. First thing I have to do is run a piece of this hollow threaded pipe. It goes all the way, I like to do it, have it come all the way from the bottom up to the top. So first thing I have to do is determine where to cut that off. So it has to be 1 1/4 inch, cut off 1 1/4 inch up from here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I've got that rod cut to the right length. I just put it in my vise and used a hacksaw to cut it off. Now I'm going to start assembling the hardware. This is the bottom for the harp. And I'm going to put on this coupler. This coupler could go underneath that or above it. I kind of like it above it. That way the harp bottom is more supported there. Then I put on the bottom of the lamp fixture next. I had to unscrew this set screw here, otherwise it won't go on there. Okay, now I'm ready to run the wire up through the base and up through that hollow rod. Okay, I ran my wire up through the base of the lamp, up through the threaded tube out here, and then this is what they call an underwriter's knot here that keeps the cord from getting pulled out of the lamp. And then I attached my 2 ends to the gold and the silver terminal. So now I'm going to pull the slack wire out of there and put the rest of my light fixture on there. So you push that down hard until you hear it click twice. Then it's in there good. Now all I have to do is put my harp on. So you push these 2 sliders to the top, and squeeze it. Get it in those 2 slots there. These locks come down. There, all ready for a light bulb. Okay, we'll see if it works. One thing, this underwriter knot I was showing you, you can look on Google and it'll show you just how to do that. So see, this harp isn't really big enough for this bulb, but there. So that's all there is to it. When I get my lampshade on there, I'll show you what it looks like later. Okay, here's the finished lamp with the shade on it. It's all camphor wood.